Tiny tools for Photoshop are small, specialized plugins that simplify your everyday work. They are deliberately kept compact and designed to sit right where you need them. The tiny tools can be used in different ways depending on how you work. They can be displayed docked and open as normal, used free-floating, or completely minimized. When minimized, they are docked in their own narrow bar. This means they hardly take up any space but remain accessible at all times. If you only need a tool occasionally, simply open it with a click and then continue working undisturbed. Tiny tools are therefore ideal for anyone who wants to work efficiently without cluttering up their Photoshop interface. Download a free trial version now and see for yourself how much the Tiny Tools plugins simplify your everyday work.